Hi guys, this time we're gonna take a look at an ETC GIO at 5. Cool little console, it's a new one we bought. So I'm just gonna give you a little overview with keyboards. With a little push button to bring down the monitor wing. So you can't just pull it, you need to push the button. Like so. We're gonna have a look inside. It's just to give you an idea of what's inside. Cool little thing for the cable wire. That's cool. So we're gonna have a look in the back. I'm gonna push this back, push the button, lift this. So inside, PSU, DMX output, all the USB devices are connected into this, the touchscreen, keyboard I guess, stuff like that. And this is what does all the processing, with the RAMs. Okay, so that was the ETC GIO at 5. Very cool little console. So there you go. That was a quick look at it. Hope you enjoyed. So I'll see you guys later.